Pakistan. Rector, Professor Zabta, Shinwari. Shinwari, I know now what is in Pakistan, what means. After yesterday, okay, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Professor Arkadiusz. Let me on, so ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, the people who really organized this event and look after me also. I just enjoyed this city, beautiful city in Poland. Polish people are really very friendly, lovely, and a lot of interaction with them. And I'm having a good memories. I came to Poland 3-4 times, but to this region, my first time. I was in Poznan, I was in Warsaw for Polish Academy of Sciences, but this is the first time. So let me thank on the onset Professor Paweł. Hospitality can be also. Arkadiusz, he is a gentleman, took me around, a lot of food and everything, and then from my side, Shaahbudin, and here Joanna, I should pronounce it properly. In Polish, she's a great lady, and in the morning she puts some sugar in my blood so that I have the taste till I speak, a sweet taste. And then Ambassador Maciej, I would request him, His Excellency, to visit me in Islamabad. We have campuses in all the country because we are a federal university. So in Islamabad, my office is most welcome to visit me. So let's talk. Magda and her husband, a lovely dinner last night too. Thank you for everything. She came to the airport to pick me here. And then from my side, Faisal Javed, Irfan, and all others, the dean of my faculty. I appreciate. I'm new to my university. I was earlier in another university and worked with Pakistan Academy of Sciences as its Secretary General and, was rector some when I was a baby. But now, with this university, we are still working hard. So it's really a great honor. Now, while talking about the New World Order in State to Nasand, if you call it, jointly organized by wonderful, beautiful university, this Warmia, and then Pakistan Federal Urdu University. We are of the same age. Like we said, we are siblings. You are the elder brother and we are the younger sister. So you are celebrating your 25 years. In next 2 years, we are celebrating our 25 years. So most welcome all of you to come to Pakistan after 2 years. Let's have they replicate this event again. And no, don't worry for, money and everything. We will look after you. Believe me, you will be safe and you will enjoy the hospitality in my country. So this time, little bit about this event. We are living in an unprecedented change. And the policy of my university, what we call it IED, Inclusive, Equity and Diversity. We appreciate Pakistan is a diverse country. You can have 250 people and a country that stretches from 0 meter to 8,611 meter. And the temperature at one day is plus 50 degrees Celsius and minus 20 degrees Celsius in the same country. So that is the country would invite you to visit. And then because this, the world is evolving, there are a lot of problems in even this century of the AI and social media that we still feel that people are being marginalized, having problems. So let's work together for the humanity. And I was reading in the morning that by one scholar that it is a woman and a man who works for humanity is creating a history. And this is a testing time that we should be talking about that. And this is a right time when we call about the process of being born in English of your title of the new world. So we have to be really thinking how the human can live in peace and harmony. And let's have color, irrespective of religion, caste, color, language. Let's treat this human being as one species. I doubt we are Homo sapien, the same species, because sometimes we face problems. So let's think about this and let's work on this. How can we make a history? These two universities can work together. We are very open from Pakistani side. You can come anytime. All the hospitality, a great offer for you. You can, interact with students, teacher, and same is from my side. Here we I as a rector or Vice-Chancellor is a rector in the country. So I give you commitment that we will always be there to assist you. So today I will be talking, I'm by training a biologist, but when I was with Polish Academy of Sciences, we were working on political science because we were working on something of international relations, that is the UN conventions like bioweapon, like Security Council resolution. I will be talking about that, how in this new world era, different disciplines, boundary, interdisciplinary nature of work is important. So when we talk about the new world order, it evokes a sense of both opportunity and uncertainty. On one side, a lot of development. AI, you can have a synthetic human being in the next 20, 30 years. And you can have still a soft robot that is like a human. That is one word, and the other one is uncertainty. We are still hungry for power, for land, for money, for, so that is what the of the nature of the world that we are living in. And that is what we have to think, how can we, this power shifting with the new generation that they feel that they have, to work with, together to deal with the non-state actors, those who are jeopardizing the peace of the humanity, how can we be together to fight all that? So I'm sure that Warmia University and my university, we will be like siblings to work together. And let's have the journey of discovery and dialogue. Let's remember to contribute to this world, to promote again the three words: inclusiveness, diversity, and equity, and with colorblind commitment. So let's commit that with the end of this workshop. And I once again thank you all. I'm really very pleased, very happy, though, believe me, I was thinking while coming here, shall I or shall I not, because I have to travel a lot and they know it, my very busy schedule, but I'm very, very happy. And I really, and I wish you all the best and hope that this conference will bring a first step towards 5,000-mile journey for peace and harmony in this world. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you very much, Professor Rector.